everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. It's great to have you guys here. I'm Danielle, and today I'm going to be just doing a daily plan with me in my Erin Condren A5 planner. So daily planning is something that I enjoy. Have I been doing it as much as I need to? No, I haven't, but hopefully I can get back into it. So daily planning is something that helps me a ton. So hopefully I can utilize that tool to the best of my ability, even though I have been slacking lately. I'm going to do something pretty simple today. This week is just kind of a busy week for me, so I need something simple in my planner. I am most likely going to use no stickers today in this planner, which is great. I enjoy it. It makes it a lot easier for me to just kind of get into the week. So this week I'm going to kind of go with a blue theme. I'm going to pull in a blue mild liner. This is, what color is this? Does it even tell me? This one is smoke blue. I'm going to use the blue Zig dot marker, and I'm going to pull in this blue right here. This is the dual tip. This is kind of a gel pen. This is a marker set from Erin Condren where you can interchange the tips here. There are a bunch of colors, a bunch of different sizes. So I have blue on one side and a black on the other. And then I'm going to be using this black pen. This is the Zebra Sarasa, the 0.5. So this week, super simple. I am going to use pen and marker. I think what I'm going to do, let's see. I think I'm going to start with the mild liner. So I'm going to highlight certain areas. 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. if you've been around for a while are always my pickup and drop off times for my kids. So I'm going to try to do this. Oh my God, I love how nice that looks. So I've been struggling with getting things straight. So having a ruler, oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then I've been really working on my cursive, and of course I messed it up because I went to go say drop off. How do I fix this? Let's see. Drop off time. Oh well, it's the best I got, right? Guys, my cursive. Ugh. I hate that I messed that up. Oh well. And then pick up is over here. I don't know. If I'm only going to have pen, I feel like I need to make it like a little bit interesting. This bothers me. Maybe I can white it out a little bit. Let's see. What do you think? You think it'll work? Yeah, it's not as bad. It's not great. It's not bad either though. Pick up and drop off are super easy, simple. And then I have a big chunk of time here for work. Today is going to be a heavy work day for me. So I think I'm going to, let's see, what should I use? I think I'm going to use this guy, this end right here. And I'm also going to use this. So I don't need the straight edge yet, but I'm going to do right here. I'm just going to write the word work. And I'm going to use this. Nope. I'm going to use this guy right here. Let's see if I can get this to go how I want it to. So I'm going to go out, out. I'm making this up as I go. And then I'm going to come down. I'm going to make kind of like a box all the way down there to kind of like just separate my work stuff. I don't even know if this is straight. Ooh, it's pretty straight, guys. I will take it. All right, so I'm gonna do that. And then inside here, I'm going to use my Zig dot marker right here. It's got like these little points here, and I'm going to make my dots to get things done. And I'm gonna do every other just because I'm not really quite sure how much space it's gonna take up. Okay, done. I also think I kind of want the black in there too. Like the blue and the black. I don't know. I just feel like it kind of stands out more. Ooh, that didn't work the best, Danielle. So this is going to be a good lesson in either what not to do if you're really picky on your kind of lines and things like that and never being perfect. Or this is a good lesson in everybody's not perfect and I don't have to be either. So there's my work. I think I'm gonna put one more dot there at the bottom. Okay, big chunk of work there. And then I'm going to section off the 5 p.m. here. I'm gonna do it with pen. So this is when we eat dinner typically. So I'm just gonna section that off with pen for now. And then write in what we're gonna have. Actually, I think I might even, I kind of like how that looks, like combining the two, the black and the blue. So maybe we'll try it down here too and see what we think. Not too bad, even though I didn't quite get it close enough, so there's like a gap. There we go. Okay, so I have that. So then I have a conference today for my 6-year-old at like 4:30-ish. So I'm gonna make a box here for Natalie's conference. We had Ava's conference. She's my 8-year-old. I had that on Tuesday. That went really well. Like really well. She's a pretty good student. So conferences are usually kind of one of those things where you just kind of talk to the teacher, you get to know them a little bit. There's not a whole lot of like actual things that need to be said, which is nice. Natalie is new to kindergarten this year, and so I'm interested to see kind of what her teacher has to say about like how she's doing. I think it'll be fine. Natalie loves school. I'm just kind of like outlining this box a little bit because I'm going to come in with the black. But Natalie loves school, so I highly doubt her teacher's going to be like, she's doing awful, she's not listening. But you never know, right? So conferences are definitely like a good check-in point for us. I really like how this is looking, guys, and this is not taking that much time. I don't know, maybe I'll just stick to like highlighters for a while and add in like stickers every now and then. So Natalie's conference, and then I don't think I have anything going on tonight except for the girls wanted to do game night. So I'm going to just take this. Let me move you up. I didn't even realize that I was out of frame. Right about here, and I'm just gonna do, love using a straight edge. And I'm gonna try this cursive again. All right, where does everybody like practice their cursive? Do you have like a program you use? Do you just like write your cursive over and over again? Is there like handwriting lessons you can take? Oh, that one was much better. Much better. And I kind of think I'm just gonna just add a little something to it. Okay. Okay, I like that. In this corner here, I'm gonna do a big box. So I'm gonna take this. Oh man, this is gonna be like a struggle to get this straight. Okay, this is straight, right? Yeah. Okay, so in this corner, I'm going to write, oh, that's not too bad. Woo! This one right here, I can kind of follow the lines that you can kind of see through a little bit. Oh no, maybe. So this box, I'm gonna do the girls' specials. They have like gym, music, art, those kind of things. I like to put them in my planner because certain days they need certain things. So like library day, they obviously need to bring their library book back. In gym, they need tennis shoes and things like that. So having it in my planner is just like a double reminder to be able to like tell them, hey, you have gym today, you need to wear your tennis shoes. Today's library, so grab your library book before you go to school, things like that. So I like having it in here. Same thing with, I like having their lunch schedule in here. So I need to fold this back over so I can write better. I'm just gonna write Ava is my older one, and then Natalie is my younger. And I will kind of write what they need in there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. And I think I'm just gonna like use this as a normal to-do list, except for I am gonna separate it just a little bit. I'm gonna separate it into, the first category is going to be work to do, and the second category is going to be home to do. I like being able to separate it a little bit. And I'm gonna try my cursive again. So let's see. I switched them around a little bit. So the first one is home. Home and work. All right, so I feel like the more I did the cursive, the better I got. Okay, so let me back you out just a little bit. This is what it looks like before I fill anything in. I do have to fill in like my work to-dos. I have to write in a few things here, what we're having for dinner, conferences, my to-do list, and I will be right back. All right, so I filled everything out. I went ahead and filled in a few work things here that Natalie has conferences, what we're having for dinner. I did my 2 to-do lists for my home activities and a few work activities. I actually added the weather up here just because maybe that's what I want to use this area for. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but that might be a good idea. And in the bottom corner here, I did Ava and Natalie, their school things. I also added a little hydrate section. My circles are lacking, they need some work, but I figured maybe I could track my water. Eventually, I might want to add in a few things just to kind of track some health things in here. Up here in this blank area, I also don't have anything. So I'm thinking maybe I will put maybe my YouTube schedule, like if I have a YouTube video going live up here, or maybe whatever room I'm focusing on cleaning that day, maybe I'll put that up there, but I'm not entirely sure yet, so I'm gonna leave it blank. So this is what it turned out like. I didn't use any stickers, just one dot marker, one mild liner, this kind of dual tip pen from Erin Condren, and my black pen. That's all I used in this. Super functional, looks awesome. So let me know if you have any questions. Drop them in the comments below if you have some. Hopefully this was something to kind of like maybe freshen up your kind of planning inspiration to try something different. I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.